Welcome back guys. And my phone has an inherent quality of recording screens, means screen recorder is there. In this video I am going to discuss about that only. Go to the setting and then go to the additional setting, and here screen recorder is there. Here you can set the resolutions, whatever resolution you want you can set from here. Video quality right from 100 Mbps to 16 Mbps, whatever you will select, it will record. Orientation, portrait or landscape, sound source, frame rate, you can select 15 fps to 90 fps. These are some additional settings you can do. So this is what about the screen recorder. The screen will be recorded. And the second thing is about the configuring this back tap and the power button. So what is that? Go to the gesture shortcuts and then back tap. From here, if you double tap the back, these all operations you can do on selection. If you select launch camera, then if you double tap it, the camera will be launched. Or calculator, or you want to activate silent mode, you double tap it, it will launch silent mode. And just similar to that, triple back tap means if you back tap 3 times, these will be activated. You can configure from here also. If you want to configure the fingerprint sensor, this sensor, you can configure for these operations. So this is what 2 things I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel.